Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create a website for your personalized children's products on Dorible, easy and quick. So first type Dorible on the search. So as we know, Dorible website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So as we know also you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create new business. Now enter your business name. Whatever business name you want, just type any business name, for example like this, and now select your industry. Now after this, enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first let's go to the first section of the website, the header of the website. Here, click edit. You can edit it from here if you want to change the site name, if you want to turn this on, the logo, and upload a file. Also here, if you want to add a label or change the label, and if you want to add external link. Here, if you want to manage your social link settings, display links to your social profiles. Here, if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So that's it. And if you want to manage your style of the section, you can generate it from here. The social icon, the size, the shape. So that's it. Here you can turn this on. You can turn this on like this. So you can manage this or this. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the banner of the website. The banner of the website, you can change this. If you don't like it, just click regenerate and it will be changed. And if you want to change the subtext, you can just click here and also it will be changed. If you want to change the label, for example, like this. So if you want to add a link, and that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the image of the website. You can edit from here, and here you can regenerate the image. Here you can manage the image position. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text of the website. If you want to regenerate the text, if you don't like it, and if you want to edit the type or the size of the writing, here if you want to manage the alignment or the spacing. Here if you want to manage the background. So that's it. Let's close this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the list of the website. You can change this. You can also manage the display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. And here if you want to manage your list items, here if you want to add list item, you can generate image like this. If you want to generate a title, and here if you want to generate the content, here if you want to edit the size or the type of the writing, here you can add the label and here you can add the link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. the next section is the testimonials section of the website. If you want to edit it from here, now add testimonials. If you want to generate a code, here if you want to generate by who, and if you want to upload image or file, so that's it. Here if you want to manage the style, so as the same of the all the section, all of them have this section of the style. So like this, let's save this and let's move on to the next section. So like this, let's move on to the next section. The next section is the gallery of the website. You can change this if you want. You can generate images, and if you want to upload a file from browser, for example, let's pick some images from browser. For example, I'm gonna choose this. So just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to upload the image from library or from here, for example, let's choose some pictures from here. I'm gonna choose this. So let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location section of the website. You can change this if you want. If you want to change your business address, and here if you want to add additional text files, if you want to add title or the content. So here if you want to edit the style of the section. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Is the contact form section. If you want to generate another text or another contact form, if you want to manage files here, and you can turn this on and custom input labels. So that's it. If you want to generate form success message or edit the type or the size of the writing, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the last section on the website. You can change your business name. You can turn this on and upload the file. You can add additional details, and you can manage your social link settings here if you want to add the channel. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to another thing. If you want to regenerate any content of this section, just select content and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the style of the section, just select the style. If you don't like the entire section, you can select entire section and it will be changed. Now if you want to duplicate, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to delete, just click on this icon of delete and it will be removed. And if you want to move it up or move it down like this, so that's it. Let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.